I know that the pickaxing thing works on controller. I know because my friend's been doing it and she's controller. So I think if anything, it's probably just like the timing's off or something. But yeah, it does work. Is that an item shop pickaxe? It's part of this character's set. I think she was in the item shop. Yeah, I think so. 140 V-Bucks, just like me, for real. Well, what can I say? It is what it is. Oh, she was a starter pack. Oh. Yeah, I don't remember. When does season restart? Oh, chapter 6 will start December 1st. If you go to the Battle Pass tab, it says December 1, 2 a.m. ET. So early morning on the 1st of December. Basically. Fortnite shop and cooking this season. I don't know. I think that the icons have been pretty alright, but other than that, I haven't really seen any cosmetics that I feel have been cooking, quote unquote. But yeah, just waiting for Travis. Let me be delusional, please. Hey, by all means. Hoping and wanting something in the item shop, there's nothing wrong with that. Have the arcane skins? I got Jinx. I didn't get Vi because I didn't really like her outfit. Zam. Hey, what are the Nike shoes for? A specific skin or every skin? It's gonna be for pretty much every single skin. Yeah, they just have it disabled right now because of some problems. Thanks, G, for the roses and ice creams. Thank you. Didn't like the emotes that came out this season. I mean, I think the only emote that I was like, whoa-wee, slay, was the California Love. Other than that, it's kind of like, eh. Thanks to you for the roses. Nom, nom, nom. Can't figure out why they wouldn't try to have arcane characters in here. Oh, I'm sure they did. They've had Vi and Jinx in the item shop when the first season of Arcane dropped. However, I believe that they just like I believe that Arcane chose to share their IP with maybe conflicting places from Fortnite. Because it all comes down to contracts when it's a collaboration like this, right? And since Jinx and Vi, they're not IP that Fortnite owns, they can't just put it back in the item shop whenever they want. Yeah, so from what I saw, Arcane's been doing a lot of collabs with like other industries. And it could also be that they've maybe done something with another game, you know? I'm sure if they if Arcane said, yeah, we want it back, I'm sure Epic would be like, bet. They have Discord decorations and have Valorant items for Arcane. Yeah, so that's probably why. So they're working with Valorant then this year. Which is technically, I guess, one of their like daughter companies. Since it's also Riot Games. But yeah, I think maybe they just don't want to do that because of that reason. Just did a collab with Valorant. Yeah, so I think it makes perfect sense that it's not in Fortnite. It sucks, of course, for everyone that cares. Who's doing that? And so could you let me know in the chat? I mean, I'm pretty sure people can watch while live streaming. They can watch streams as long as they're not re-streaming it. Oh, this is gonna be good. Um. Nice, free vault. I like that. I like that a lot. And I'm right outside having the time of his life. Hello? What the heck happened here, bruh? I thought we were leaving. Do you have a pre-built PC? Not right at the moment, no. Both of my PCs I built. Well, maybe I should say both of my current PCs I've built. I have had pre-builts before. But yeah, my two current ones I built myself. And a flare gun. Shoosh. We're so lucky that we went for M&M when somebody else had done all the work, so we just jumped in and lasted him. Pretty big. Oh, that's M&M. How did I miss that? Embarrassing.
My friend, I need ammo for minigun. You have?
Okay, brother.
Thank you.
He's right here. He's got the sliding bug. Nice. I think there's one more. Yeah, he's driving. Where'd he go? Oh, he's still driving. Wanna go for the supply drop?
Yes.
Nice, let's go. Oh boy. Good morning. Yeah, the cars might not be as fast as they were last season since we had boosting and stuff, but they're a lot more sturdy now. I feel. Like the guns aren't dealing that much damage to him. But yeah, it makes sense that because they're only one of the few ways of moving around the map, so that's probably why they made it like this. Season 1 thing happening on December 6th. Okay, so the 1st of December, we're gonna jump into Chapter 6, Season 1. So we're getting a new chapter, you know, like new map, just new everything pretty much. And then on the 6th of December, they're gonna add a new game mode that is featuring OG. So just like we have a reload, it's gonna be basically a new reload, but it won't be reload. It will be OG. And you'll be able to play that. At least to my understanding, that's what it's going to be like. And then maybe they'll make it into a core mode. I don't know. How do you guys feel about that, by the way? I feel like... Don't get me wrong. I like Chapter 1. And Chapter 1 was a lot of fun. But I feel like if they feature it too much, it's going to lose that. So it's like, I'm just feeling kind of about it because... It feels like we just kind of had it. And I'm just scared that if they milk it too much, then there won't be any